What's up, traders? Two trades today. Getting back into the groove of things. Let's get to it. Just seeing what it wants to do here at 131.56. Doesn't seem to want to go back through. Here we go, coming down. All right, we're going to start it here. We ended up getting 131.20. And VWAP all the way down there at 130. Same with the 9 here. So looking at half, about 130.50. Go a little bit above that. See if we can get back down below. There we go. We're through 131 again. Front running that $0.50 down there at 130.50. There we go. Oh. Looked like it went through, but we didn't get filled. Probably didn't have any prints. Here we go, coming back down. Okay, there we go. Got our fill there at 165 or 130.65. So nice little trade there on QCOM. Watching the scanners, we got WDR here. Let's put WDR up here. We're not going to play Tesla now. Ooh, okay. Like this. It's kind of stalled here already, it looks like. We'll come down the share size just a little bit here. All right, looks like that might have been the top. All right, we're gonna hit it. Ooh, man, we got some bad fill there as it was coming down. Thought we were hitting it at 70. Ended up getting 62 there. Just gonna go ahead and put an order out pretty quickly here, just in case we get there. Put it at 38. Front run VWAP, just in case we get that quick drop. This might be one, since I don't like my fill too much, where we don't play anything through high of day. See if we can get through 1750 here. There we go. Let's get a nice little push down there to 38. 43. 42, 41. I'll put my finger on the button here. 37. No prints there yet. 41's the last print. All right, we're just going to take it there. I hate getting within pennies, especially when we were on the bid. We were actually above the bid. We just couldn't get any prints down below there. So nice little trade there on WDR. All right, traders, that was my two trades. One on QCOM, one on WDR. Starting here with QCOM. I mean, this one will look pretty standard. Had a nice little pop. This one was a little spready when we first got in, so it was a little interesting to deal with that as far as getting filled where we wanted, but wasn't too upset about it. We actually went a little bit lower on the share size. One of the problems we've been running into lately is that we have been hitting our max loss a little too early. Looking for about half the move. That's kind of what we base our share size off of to get that 10 ball. I'm starting to think looking for 33% of Q per trade on just getting half of a retrace there is probably asking maybe a little too much for a single entry. So I'm thinking of maybe scaling back the share size just a tad to kind of fine tune this. Maybe looking for more of like 25%. Maybe it'll take 4 trades instead of 3, but it'll also give us that room to be able to 1-1-2 like we initially had planned. But as you could tell, as of late, we've been only getting about 2 entries, and then that's putting us really close to our max loss, which is not what we want. So I kind of did that this morning, still using the buttons that I have. I just happened to use smaller share size. I just took it and went down on it myself. So that was how we ended up on QCOM. What did we end up with? 7 shares there instead of the 10, and we got the pullback, so we ended up not quite getting what we wanted there through 130.50, but we ended up getting our fill up above that. So not quite half the move, but a decent amount. So as you can see, we didn't end up too much there on the realized. And then down on WDR, this was kind of out of nowhere on a nice little volume pop, as you can see here. This one was a little frustrating because if you go back and watch the live trade, the bid was at 69. You can see me click the button as it's on 69, and as I click the button, it dropped down to 62. So it was a little frustrating. We got a little bit of a worse fill than we thought we were getting. Considering the range on this wasn't that great anyway, so you're talking 7 cents on something where there's not that big, you're talking almost about 25% of the move we were looking for, we got in some slippage there when we entered the trade. So that wasn't exactly what we were looking for. So we knew that if we got that quick pop back down through 1750, we were going to look to take it off. We put an order out there at 1738, and as you can see, the last print there was at 1739 for the low. So we missed that by a penny. We ended up taking it off at 1747. So a little frustrating there. Could have made a little bit more on that one. But hey, these were really the only two trades that we saw that did exactly what we wanted. Just trying to get back into the groove of things, only taking trades that we are most comfortable with, that fit our edge, and we can apply our strategy to it. So going 2 for 2, kind of felt pretty stress-free today. There was really no reason to be upset about either of these trades. They both ended up working, and that's all I got. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, I'll leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.